All right. Our new home, Danang Vietnam. There's the Dragon Bridge. Hey everybody, I got to show you our new high-end apartment here at the Filmore in Vietnam. This place is just awesome. Me and May love it here. And I'm making this video to show some of my friends and my cousins and stuff how nice and how cheap it is here in Vietnam. You're not going to believe it. Wait till you see this apartment. Okay, here we go.
Things you like.
There. There we go. Let's show them the bathroom first.
Walk-in shower.
Yep.
Nice tiles.
Oh, yeah.
And this side is the washer dryer.
Yep, got a brand new washer dryer. Now, you want to show them the small bedroom, the guest bedroom. There you go.
Really nice. Very modern, even the switch lights.
Yeah, now when you open the cabinet or open the doors, the light comes on automatically in the closets. All of them are like that. They put really nice paintings in here, these oil paintings. There's the guest bed with the awesome view of the river and everything. We'll show you later tonight. The way they decorated this place, I mean, their taste is just really excellent.
And each room has its
Air conditioner. Okay, there's the big screen TV. Got a rollaway bed here just in case. And now let's see the.
I like this.
Yeah, that's really nice. And I mean, you're talking a modern kitchen, everything brand new.
All the appliances is new.
Even a water purifier.
The water filter.
Yeah, it's brand new.
They added
That for us. So you can get your drinking water and your cooking water. There's our coffee pot. Now let's show them the master bedroom. Yeah, and right out, Isn't this nice? And the view, you got a full, that's all glass there. So, ain't that nice? It's our balcony.
It's really pretty at night.
Yeah.
You can see all the lights.
And then these closets are glass, but it's the same thing. When you open them, they're lighted up.
And two drawers.
And then here's our bathroom. Oh yeah, this is so nice. The toilet, you flush it with the back of your head. Ain't that neat? So you don't got to turn around to flush the toilet. And here's the shower. See this shower? It's got a rain shower from the top. So that, and then you turn that on. Ain't that something? I mean, this place is just completely awesome. Everything about it's just killer. You know, we figure we ain't getting no younger. We need to start doing what we want to do, not what everybody else wants us to do.
And the bed. The bed here is very nice.
Yeah. Yes. Boy. Now, let's see. Can you pull that and let's show them the balcony there? We'll show you again tonight. That's the famous Dragon Bridge there.
See?
Fire, throws fire at night.
Here it's quiet.
Yeah, very quiet. Yep.
There's the Dragon Bridge.
And the
River.
and the night market's right over there. The walkway right there. They have a fireworks display on the river. It's just beautiful at night.
Look at that.
Yep. Well,
Look, I just now noticed this. Grapefruit
yep.
and lemon.
All these plants they had here, the owners, and it's got a self-watering system on a timer.
So we don't have to water it.
But yep, each room has its own air condition. There's an air condition for here, air condition for that bedroom, and one for that room. So you can, but I mean, the way they decorated this place is just, look at this. Totally, fully furnished.
Everything brand new.
You can tell May really loves this place, and so do I. I mean,
Very fancy.
yep. So, time to start living.
Living and enjoying life.
Yep. Now, should we tell them how much this is a month?
Guess how much?
$1,130 per month. Unbelievable. Completely unbelievable. We love it here. Elevators. To get into the door, we put in our own passcode. Right here, touch passcode.
And then you just
So, anyway.
keyless. Then we don't have to worry about losing our key.
Yeah. Anyway, I guess that's about it, huh? There we go. Okay. Yeah. What do you think, Max?
And we didn't even pay for a pet deposit because Max bang